Hey, how are you doing, my surplus trader group? So what have I been up to today, guys? It's very warm today, so it's quite a hot day here in the UK. Just like for some reason, the last few days has been really hot. So what I do each week, or at least I try and do each week, is I put a list together on an email of basically all the deals that I've been offered. And obviously, because I get offered lots of different types of surplus stocks across lots of different product categories, what I try and do each week is I build a list on an email of all my offers that I've had, all the different stock offers that I've had. Normally I'll do one list which is like all retail type products, and basically what I'm doing that for is because I have buyers or potential buyers who are constantly looking for stock. Always looking for stock. And so what I do each week to plant the seed and to try and get constant interest on my surplus stock offers is that I build a list of all the offers that I've got, and I update it each week. So I have some that are the same as previous weeks that I'm still trying to get interest on, and then I'll add my new offers onto that list. And all I'm doing basically is I'm emailing companies or people within companies who are basically just looking for stock, surplus stock. They're just looking for deals. And these types of buyers are what I call general. They are general buyers, meaning they are just looking for anything. They're just looking for a deal. Okay, so obviously I've got lists of buyers that are specific to certain products. So I might have a list of buyers that are only interested in clothing. I'll have a list of buyers only interested in toys. I'll have a list of buyers only interested in, maybe non-retail products. But I've got a list of buyers who basically they are interested in anything. They're just looking for a deal on anything at all. Retail, any retail type things. So what I do each week is I put an email together, and I'm going to show you in a second how I do this. So basically it's just a latest offers list. So let me just turn the camera around one sec. So I build a list of, literally it's just an email of latest offers. So what I'm doing is here, I'm just building a list of new offers that have come in, and then what I'm doing is, as you can see, look, I've got things like travel luggage, backpacks, gloves, candles, lighting, mobile phone accessories, CBD products, cosmetics, jars, napkins, hand gel, clearance deals, cycle accessories, dog collars and dog leads. And then, I've got old deals from previous weeks that I keep on the same email. So I'm basically resending those same offers each week until I get some interest. So I've got, jewellery, t-shirts, lots of different types of products, okay? Very general indeed. And I basically, all I do is I just describe how many there are, what the product is, and then I put click here to see pictures or a list. And that is a link that I use to Dropbox. So basically I use Dropbox, which is a website where you can store your files. So I will have a folder in Dropbox for that specific offer. So when someone clicks on that link, they will go to my, they will go to the folder in Dropbox where it will have the list, the stock list, and then photos of the stock of the product. So all I'm doing is I'm just putting my offers out there each week. And obviously on top of that, what else I'm doing is when I get an offer of some stock, and instead of it going into a list, which it will, but I'm also emailing individual offers as well. So I'm emailing one offer of one product that I've been offered to one specific list. So I might get an offer through today of some, I don't know, maybe a clothing product. So I will then make an offer on email, and I will email that only to buyers who I know are just interested in clothing products. Okay. So as well as my main list, my main general list that has lots of different offers on, in between that I'm sending individual offers out to buyers who are just looking for one specific type of product category. Okay, so this is what I'm doing through the day. As I'm getting offers in, I will add them onto my list of offers, mixed list of offers, and then I will email that out to one list of specific buyers. So what I'm doing each day is I'm just throwing offers out there just to see what interest I'm going to get on that deal. And all I'm doing is I'm just getting offers from companies, and then I'm throwing those offers out to potential buyers to try and get some interest. I'm literally just planting the seed. I'm trying to get some initial interest. I'm trying to get a spark. I'm trying to get a spark of interest. It's almost like fishing. I'm throwing the fishing line out there with some bait, and I'm just seeing if I get a bite. That's all I'm doing. That's all I'm doing with offers. I'm literally getting my fishing rod and I'm throwing my offer out there to some potential buyers and seeing if I get a bite. And if I get a bite, then obviously that's when we start the ball rolling or getting the wheels in motion on a deal. To see at the end of the day if we can try and make a deal happen with that buyer that's shown some interest. And you're not going to get a deal without getting that offer in the first place. Okay, without me getting all those offers that I've got on this list. So on my stock list, I've got new offers. So I've got new offers that I've got. How did we turn that off? 1 second. Oh, it's gone. Have the torch on then. So I'm getting new offers coming in, but I'm always keeping the old offers on there as well. As you can see, look, last week's deals. So I've got last week's list on there as well. So I've got a lot of offers here, probably 40 or 50 maybe. And so that's what I'm doing, guys. So it's like a well-oiled machine. That's like a well-oiled machine. What I'm doing is I'm basically, I'm throwing emails out there to companies to receive surplus stock offers. And, I'm getting offers from LinkedIn. I'm getting offers through my inquiry form on my website. So several places. And as I'm processing these email offers that are coming in, I'm then putting them out on a list, on an email list to potential buyers. And that's what I'm doing each day. So obviously, if I get something that is a specific product in a specific product category, I know I've got a list of potential buyers that are looking for that type of product. So I will put an email together and I will send that out to those potential buyers. And I'm just going to sit back and wait. I'm just going to wait until I basically get some interest on that deal that I've been offered. That's what I'm doing. I'm doing that. I'm just testing the market. I'm just testing the market on that stock that I've been offered. And that's what I do, guys. I'm just testing the market out and seeing if is that something that people are going to be interested in. And it's not even about the price to start with. Sometimes it's just getting interest on that product, getting some initial interest. That's my main object, to try and get some initial interest on that stock that I've been offered. Once I can get a bite, once I can get a spark of interest, that's when I will start trying to make a deal happen, follow it through, and see what that interested buyer, what information he wants. He might want a sample. He might want to go and inspect the stock. He might just want a bit more information here and there. And so that's what I'm doing, guys. At the end of the day, I'm the guy in the middle trying to make a deal happen between me and the company that's offered me that stock, and me and a potential buyer that I've offered that stock out to. Okay, that's me. I'm like the bridge. I'm like the bridge between the seller and the buyer. Okay, but it's me doing the deal with the seller, and it's me doing the deal with the buyer. It's not them two doing the deal together. That's different. That's if you are a finder. If you are working as a finder, you can then connect the buyer and the seller, and then try and earn a finder's fee. But no, I'm trying to buy and flip that stock myself. So that's what I'm doing, guys. I'm very proactive in emailing offers out to people, because that's the only way. There's no point receiving a stock offer and you look at it and you don't really do much about it. It doesn't matter how good or bad it looks. You've got to put that offer out there to try and see what interest you get at the end of the day. Whether you think it's a good offer or not, someone else might think it's a good offer. I mean, I sometimes look at an offer and I will know if it's not a good offer. That's just from experience, okay? I just will know, because it might just be too small in quantity. It might not have enough meat on the bone, As I like to say, if it's a very small deal, very tiny quantity or whatever, I say it hasn't got enough meat on the bone, meaning it hasn't got enough, there's not enough profit in the deal. There's just not enough profit in the deal. There's too small quantity. There's not going to be enough profit in the deal to make it worthwhile, So a deal like that, I can say straight away, that one's no good, okay? Or I would know if it's a product that is just no good. Certain products are just not workable. I'll know if it's just something that just does not sell as well. And that's just from experience. So that is it, guys. That's just to show you, something else that I'm doing on a day-to-day basis. And it's not just about finding surplus stock. It's about putting your offers out there that you're getting to get interest in that stock. And of course, listen, guys, without knowing how to go and find surplus stock, you're never going to have surplus stock offers to offer out to potential buyers, are you? So if you are thinking, actually, I want to get involved in the surplus stock business, I want to find stock and I want to be able to find buyers for that stock and basically make a profit on that deal without touching or seeing any stock. if you are interested, then, you know, send me a message or comment below, and I will send you a link to the coaching program, guys. And at the minute, I'm just updating the Surplus Trader Secrets coaching program, making it bigger and better. And so, yeah, guys, that's my little video today on, just as I say, just documenting what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis in the surplus stock business. And so I will catch you guys very, very soon. Have a good rest of the day.